do you think, Mario?
What's that?
Nice and tight.
Oh yeah.
You like that?
You gotta have it loose for the race, man.
Oh yeah. Loose for the race.
What are you doing here? Don't screw up shit by doing it that way, dumbasses.
3647.
Yeah. Does Mario? Mario.
What?
You know what a 3647 is, right?
Shit, now you're on camera showing everything on here.
Do not know what that is.
Don't say it.
No, I'm not gonna, because it took you half an hour to get me to realize what it is.
The trademark now. There you go. Look at
You always
that.
ask that. You watch any videos and you're like, freaking 3647. What does that mean?
What does it mean?
What does it mean?
You said don't say nothing, so now you're over screwing around taking about crap.
Oh gosh.
You have to figure it out yourself.
Oh, you actually have to
Figure it out yourself.
Walker was quick.
Quick? He was quick?
Quicker than most.
Quick compared to...
Your cover's all wrapped up still, Fred. There's your towel, but keep this from getting scratched.
Where's your towel, man? We're getting stressed.
Yeah, man.
Let's go, man. Why are you taking that? Oh. Yeah, I don't have a piece like that. I don't know where it's coming off.
Mine will get Keenan put it on.
Mistakenly.
I did what?
Huh? Didn't make some mistake. How can he ever make a mistake?
Fred did it.
My fault.
Yep.
Blame me, man.
I did.
Mine had was on the cases.
This one didn't want to come out. We're going to do something different here pretty soon.
Oh, there it goes. We have ignition.
We had to hit it harder.
Houston, we have ignition.
Okay, that needs to be put back into the motor with some sleeve retainer locked on it.
Sure.
Maybe that one too.
I suspect I already have those on mine.
Yeah. So
Which side goes in?
we'll decide that's not blasted.
The gray side is probably the one that was inside the motor. So put some Loctite on it, put it back in, get it setting up. Then we'll see if the cover can go back on without screwing it all up again.
So is this ready or what?
What?
This.
I haven't done anything to use yet.
I know.
Where's the reamers
Why
at?
haven't you done it?
What are we doing?
You gotta ream it out to size it to the correct size.
Let's go grab a dowel pin so we know what size the dowel pin is. What size dowel was that?
So I'm gonna pull one out of my engine?
Maybe. These don't appear to be the ones we want, though. These are the dowel pins for the press-in part of the hole, not the oversized part of the hole. I'm gonna use this one.
Over under.
Okay. You wanna measure it?
I'm thinking that one right there.
Sleeve,
that one,
this
huh?
one right here, right?
You're thinking that one there?
You say sleeve retainer on it?
Yes, it does.
Good deal.
Alright.
Give me a dowel pin so I can measure it real quick.
Alright.
Okay, I can put this back.
No, you gotta measure your dowel pin.
Really? Oh man.
Hurry up.
Okay. Sorry.
We're on camera.
Okay.
25? 2.5? Or 0.25?
Point.
See if Fred learned how to read Mike last night.
That looks like a 2.5.
Oh, really? Huh, convenient.
Thanks for saying that.
I was trying to figure out my YouTube video on how to read a mic doesn't come up.
Oh, we need to
There's only-
shoot a new one.
only 500 people looked at it.
Huh?
Only 500 people looked at it. I don't know why it didn't come up.
You don't do descriptions.
That was in there. How to read a mic.
We should do a new one. We should do a new one where that's watching around, watching you like, oh, is this how we're supposed to do this?
You have to go to my how to do it playlist, and it's in there. was like number 7 or
Are
something.
we clueless?
You were clueless.
I always clueless.
Where's my drill truck?
3647.
First time I freaking, last time I did it in micrometer, I was at A school in boot camp.
That explains it. What's this?
A reamer.
Which one?
The one that goes for that.
It is an over-under reamer.
Nah, I don't want to hit too hard.
I gotta hit what too hard?
There you go. It's on. Set up.
There we go. Somehow it was like,
Look at all that fancy chrome in that hole.
There you go.
that's what we're getting rid of.
Where's your dowel out?
Mine? It's in the case.
Where's the other one?
In the case.
Can't check it now. Whose cover is this one, Fred or Junior's?
That's mine.
Oh, this is yours?
Yeah.
He just called you Junior.
Oh, don't you feel?
That's Junior dumbass.
Stand beside each other.
Aww, family.
Oh, yeah.
Come here, Junior.
Come here.
Come here, slugger.
Come here, Junior.
Come here, little guy.
Come here, little guy.
You had 3 dumbasses in a row over there on the workbench on the other side.
Whatever, Dad.
Be Uncle Fred.
Uncle Fred, yeah.
Uncle the pervert, Uncle.
Yeah.
Perfect. He said it. Well, if this is your cover, how come you didn't do it?
I don't know. You just took off and started playing around. Why you like doing this stuff? You
Yeah,
wanna be
fixing
famous.
junk parts. Yeah, it's my favorite thing to
You want
do.
to be famous.
I don't know. I think you get a kick out of fixing junk parts, to be completely honest. Because you get to talk shit most of the time.
Okay. Here, dumbass, put that on your motor, see if it fits.
Junior, dumbass.
Oh, sorry.
Junior to you.
Mr. Junior Dumbass. Oh, this one's made correctly. That had to be your cover because, see, this one works correctly. And I also noticed it still had all the tape marks on there from the plastic, so I figured it was probably good. You think maybe this one here is correct?
Yes.
So this is your cover.
Thank you.
So Dumbass got...
Wait, no, that
No,
that was the Evo one.
They're all mixed up, see?
Yeah,
Uh-huh.
it's really good now.
Try his cover,
Hey.
because it worked good, too.
Look at see if that cover that you have right there over there is welded shut or not.
It's the same one. It's the exact same one.
Oh, it is?
Yeah,
Same vendor, yeah.
same thing.
why are you trying to stir stuff up?
Man, he's stealing your parts, dude.
Hey, he's still in your parts. No, seriously, what parts?
Your cover,
So your
cam cover.
cover was plugged up with chrome in the holes.
Uh-huh.
His wasn't. So only yours didn't fit.
Of course. Thank you.
So you have a screwed up cam cover. I'd take it back to the guy you bought it from, tell it's a pile of crap.
Yeah, yeah. I would think I'd be met with a bunch of resistance if I did that.
Guy's a real jerk, huh?
First he'll ridicule me for a half hour and then tell me I'm an idiot. And then he'll be like, okay.
Probably gonna call you a dumbass too,
Yeah,
I bet.
dumbass, yeah.
Maybe once.
Twice.
Doing, man?
We had this taped off because these holes. Which one is it? These two, was it this hole? Went all the way
I don't care
through.
what your holes, what's the other side look like?
So we wanted to plug them up with some JB weld,
Some goop.
some goop, and it's
It
cured.
appears that it ran a little bit.
It ran right there, and then we had it down here too because this hole went all the way through, which was this one. Because then that would just be a freaking oil leak.
So you can go in there and grind that back now a little bit?
This?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I'll go ahead and grind it back. But we also had a hole that we put right here.
There used to be a hole there.
Well, yeah, it's this new one that.
It's all full of JB weld now, an inch deep.
Well, there was a tape. It was taped, so you can see the tape right there.
So you get some more grinding to do.
So we just need to cut that back, and then we'll be good to go.
What about that hole right there?
No, that's the hole we want. We want that
That's
hole.
the hole we want?
Yeah, we want
Okay.
that hole.
We want this hole here opened up too.
Yeah, we got to take this shit off. I
You
mean,
go back and work on that.
yeah,
Cool.
sweet.
So once you're working on that, and it appears you had some overflow way over here. How'd that happen?
I don't know. So the person that was installing the JB weld just got overzealous. You know what I mean?
I don't think so, because that's on the other side of the vehicle. So you gotta take that off too. Look at that turd right there. What a crappy job. All right, grind that back a little bit, clean that up. So hurry up, get to work.
All right. So I think I did it right. We filled up those 2 holes. This hole is that he drilled in for the oil pump, the oil release pressure gauge is now there. It's visible. And I just kind of cleaned it up. The titty was right there. It's all gone now. And this one right here, where they decided to drill all the way through, is now cleaned up and ready to run.
Nice.
Sick. All right.